I'm a person who loves leftovers. It saves you time for preparation, and some leftovers even taste better the next day. Recreation, I call. There are so many things you can make with leftover chicken. I use leftover chicken and bell peppers to make a delicious sandwich boat. All you need is shredded chicken, bell peppers, and choice of your favorite cheese. I wrap the bread with basil pesto and fill it up with chicken and bell peppers. It's so easy to make, yet so delicious and fulfilling. Give it a try, you'll love it.